Hello, my name is Joe Munson, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up a batch cocktail keg. So 1/6 barrel keg, it's batch cocktail. How that works with the CO2, the regulator, inside the Barmobile, with the connection to the tap. I'm going to explain all that. So this is a batch cocktail keg. It has a pressurized top here. It has an output and an input. This is your gas line. This is where your output of your cocktails is. This is where you put your cocktails. Right now we have a little bit of water in there just to kind of demonstrate. This thing comes down in there like that. And then suctions in. It's actually, I like putting it on this way. There we go, like that. So that's as simple as that is. You put your cocktails on. Now this sleeve situation, this is an ice cube sleeve that goes over that. You can put that in your freezer and freeze that. And then this sleeve goes over it to protect it and to keep it insulated. And then this whole thing drops into the Barmobile, just like this, over to one side, just like that. It's perfect. And then this connects to it. We'll do that here in a minute. Right now I want to talk about this gas. So this is just a 5-pound CO2 bottle. That's a standard setup. This is the regulator. It has a guard around it so you don't knock the gauges. This is a turn-off valve. That's on, that's off. And then to install this, you need to use this little plastic disc. This will make it so it's airtight. It just goes in there like this, and then this whole thing screws on like this. You actually want to have this thing at a bit of an angle, just like I have it. That's about how you want to mount it. It fits in there better like that. And then you have a big old wrench. And get on it nice and tight. I like that down like that. All right, so now it's nice and tight. Now we can install the CO2 bottle. It's going to go just right alongside your keg. Just like that. Now we're going to put this on the input. You just push these up and make sure it's good and on. It goes all the way down. Make sure it goes all the way down. If it doesn't go all the way down, it's gonna get caught. Then this output all the way down. Get the lines all straightened up. Now we're gonna open up the gas bottle. Now when you do this, it's gonna make a little sound, and that's just the air pressurizing the tank. You can hear it. It's pressurizing the tank. It takes a little while. I have this at 12 PSI is what we have that rated at, 12 PSI. This is your actual valve control. You want to leave that pushed in. If you push it out is how you can actually change the pressure. You might need to change pressure for different setups. So you'll pull this valve out like that, and then you can actually adjust it, see? But you want to normally leave it in. Now, see if our setup works. It's perfectly pressurized water. A little bit of that. We got a drip tray down here. This should capture all your excess liquid. And we have a drain mat as well. And then this whole setup, it's a little tight, so you got to watch these cables. Make sure these are all the way down, because it just clears. And there's your lock. She's all set up.